Welcome to Table and Style by Margarita. Do you want to celebrate the 4th of July with style and flavor, but without complications and without spending too much? Then this video is for you. I present 3 easy and delicious recipes. A beautiful and economical decoration idea using items from Dollar Tree. Stay with me and let's do it together. We start by firstly making the delicious USA flag, and for that, we will need some blue tortillas, sausages, cheddar cheese, and hot dog buns. On the other hand, we carefully prepare the tray where we are going to place the hot dogs, the cutter with which we are going to make the stars, and the sauces that we can place directly or in these containers. We first start by carefully and gently placing the bread evenly on the tray. This will simulate the white stripes of the flag. We place the blue tortillas in the top left corner to form a rectangle, ensuring they are evenly spaced and aligned. Add the sausages that we have previously cooked to perfection and the stars that we have carefully cut out with this star-shaped cutter. And our beautiful flag is now ready to be displayed. And now let's move on to preparing an eagle-shaped dip. And we will need pecans or nuts such as delicious almonds, shredded mozzarella cheese, Philadelphia cream cheese, olives for the eyes, bell pepper for the eagle's beak, some pieces of delicious bacon, a bit of chopped onion, crackers to accompany this delicious dip, and salt and pepper if you wish to add it. We make a dip by mixing the Philadelphia cheese, a bit of bacon, and onion. The cream cheese should be at room temperature for best results and consistency to shape it into an eagle. We are going to make the eagle's head, which is the first step in our process. Then, we will start adding the nuts, which will serve as the feathers for the eagle. Next, we carefully add the shredded mozzarella cheese, which will represent the white feathers of our creation. We then slice the olive into small pieces and use it for the eyes, and we do the same with a small piece of bell pepper to make the eagle's beak. After that, we decorate around it with some delicious crackers. And now, let's move on to prepare our refreshing and colorful fruit salad. For its preparation, we will need fresh and ripe raspberries, pure vanilla essence, fresh blueberries, pure and natural honey if we want to add some, delicious and creamy Philadelphia cheese, a large bowl, an electric mixer, and whipped cream. We start by carefully beating the Philadelphia cheese with the whipped cream so they integrate, being very careful not to turn the whipped cream into butter. We add a bit of honey, which is really not necessary, but adds a nice touch, a tiny bit of vanilla essence for extra flavor. Mix this thoroughly until well combined, and our preparation is ready to add the fresh blueberries and raspberries, which could also be substituted with strawberries if preferred. Here we have our delicious fruit salad with the 3 colors of the USA flag, and now let's beautifully move on to the decoration. As you will see, it is a colorful and economical decoration that can brighten up any space. I bought the items at Dollar Tree, which is known for its affordable prices. I bought packs of 3 flags, mini flags, these little stars that come on sticks, some garlands that come in the 3 colors, a little light with a star, and the USA flag, all of which are perfect for festive occasions. We offer hot dog wrappers, napkins adorned with the American flag, and these very cute disposable cups that are perfect for enjoying a glass of wine. Additionally, we have 2 star-shaped bowls that are ideal for serving popcorn or peanuts. And let's not forget this beautiful, decorative gnome that adds a charming touch to any setting. These items are perfect for any festive occasion, making your gatherings more enjoyable and patriotic. There are a few more things that we need, but they will allow us to have an enjoyable and simple decoration. I took all of this to a table on the patio and set everything up, making sure it was all perfect. We have our delicious hot dogs, the majestic eagle, the refreshing fruit salad, the tasty popcorn, and the beautiful decoration, which, as I mentioned, is very economical and adds a lot of vibrant color and deep meaning to our 4th of July celebration. You can extend this decoration or preparation to the number of guests you have and make sure it is suitable for each and every one of your guests. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I really hope that you subscribe to the channel and that you activate the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, to all of my videos. If you liked it, please kindly give me a like and share this video with your family and friends. I bid you farewell, indeed wishing you a joyful 4th of July, happy styling, and see you soon.